Hello and welcome everyone to another Stagedesigner tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to see how to generate, edit and use rich text in Stagedesigner and FXServer versions of the software. To generate a rich text, I can easily double click on any of these preload boxes, and here I have the option to select new rich text, and the software is going to open a text editor for me. Here I can just type in the text that I want, and I can change the width or the resolution of this frame that I'm typing my text in. I have some alignment options I can use. I can make the text bold, italic, and so on and so forth. If I click on this A here, I can edit the text. For example, I can select a different font, I can select the size, and so on and so forth. And I can also change the background color if I need to. And I would leave it on white for now. And to quickly generate two different type, white on black and black on white, I can select any of these two options. I can click on apply and I close it. The text file is generated and I can use it in the project as title or subtitle. If I would like to mix the text with videos, I can import a video here. If I play the video here, means that I'm not going to be seeing the text file. If I drag the text file on top of the video, I'm going to see the frame behind the text. And if I want to get rid of the frame, I can just open the preload, and from the render mode I can switch from picture in picture to add, and this way I would just see the white text and not the background of it. So I can drag this and bring it to the position that I would like to have and position it where I need it. So, and this is how I can generate, edit and use rich text in preload. There's also the option of using text in playlist, which we're going to see in another tutorial. I hope you're enjoying using the software and hope to see you in another tutorial.